Hello there, I am Dr. C.N. Okolubo. You're welcome to my YouTube channel where we'll be solving problems relating to business mathematics, business statistics, analysis for business decision, as well as other related topics. I want to encourage you as you go through these videos with me, you have your paper, your pen, and your calculator to solve these problems with me. Also, please do like, share, and subscribe so that you can receive notifications for upcoming videos that we'll be uploading. Thank you. Hello there, thank you for joining me once again on my channel. Today we are going to start a new series, and it's going to be centered around what we call measures of central tendency. Measures of central tendency refer to statistical tools used to measure the behavior of a distribution at the center. What do we mean by this? If you're given an array of values representing characteristics of a distribution, representing behavior of a distribution, maybe in terms of height or weight or wages, or you're talking about any kind of measurement of the distribution. Now, what is common at the center? What is popular at the center? What is seen, especially at the middle of the distribution? That's what we mean by measures of central tendency. Generally, there are three measures of central tendency we have, and that's what we refer to as mean, median, and mode. All of them all together are referred to as averages. But in any case, today we are going to center on what we call mean. So today's study is on mean. Now, mean, what is mean? Look at what we have on the board. I'm going to make some notes so you just follow along. What do we mean by mean? Mean refers to the average of the collection of observations divided by the number of observations. So in a simple illustration, this is the sign for mean. X bar is given as summation of all the elements in the distribution divided by the number of distributions. So very quickly, we're going to look at example, and we're going to look at one example or two examples of finding mean of what we call raw data, raw discrete data. And very quickly, I'm going to give an example. Let's talk about example 1 here. And example 1 gives us figures such as we're looking at 2, 4, 5, 3, 7, 6, and 3. And we're asked to find the mean of this distribution. Now, these values can represent anything. They can represent height, they can represent ages, they can represent salary levels, they can represent any values. So, but we're just using this hypothetical case here, so that to find our mean, to find the mean of the distribution, it is to add these values up. 2 plus 4 plus 5 plus 3 plus 7 plus 6 and plus 3. And we divide by how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have divided by 7. So that if we add this up, can you do this with me wherever you are? Use your calculator and sum this up. Whatever you have, you're going to discover that this will be 30. 30 divided by 7. And this will give us 4.28. 4.28, approximately 4. Now, I'm going to show you something interesting in the distribution. Now, if we rearrange these values, just rearrange these values according to order of magnitude in ascending order. Let's rearrange these values here. We're going to have 2 will be the first one, then we're going to have 3, and we have another 3 here, then we have 4, then we have 5 coming up, 6, and then 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, we wanted to show you that if you arrange this, I want to know what are the center. We have 1, 2, 3. This is 1, 2. So 4 is at the center. Do you realize that we've calculated the mean of this value, and 4 is at the center? So that's to show you the behavior at the center. I'll quickly do another example in this video. Let's take another example here. Let's say example 2 on this. And this example, I'm going to show you, we're just going to take random figures here. In this case, we're looking at 63, 61, 65, 66, and then 62. This is 65. Now these are random figures. They just picked, they can represent any thing. So let's calculate the mean here. The mean is the sum of these values divided by the number. Now let's sum 63 plus 61 plus 65 plus 66 plus 62. If we sum this up, I'm divided by how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Divided by 5. If we sum this up, can you do this with me? Wherever you are, do that quickly. 63, add these values up. If you add this up, what you should have to be 317 divided by 5. And our answer is 63.4. Approximately 63. This is what we have. Now let's do the same thing we did here. Let's just rearrange these values in ascending order and see where 63 will lie. I'm going to move to this other side quickly. So let's say rearrange, and the rearrangement will see us have 61, 62, 63, 65, and then 66. Alright, we have 5 values, and then we have 5 observations, and the mean is 63. By the time we rearrange this, we discover that our mean is at the center. So that's what we mean by measure of central tendency. Measuring what's at the center and measuring what in the distribution, the popular, the common thing at the center. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please do subscribe, like, and share, and place a comment or two in the comment section of this video. Thank you very much.
Yeah.